Hello there. Today we will see slice in string. But before that, let's have a look in one basics folder. In example a.py, we saw that there are three ways of making a string. But how can we prove that these three are really strings? So for this we have a function. Can you guess the name of that function? We have seen that in the previous data types also. So yes, okay, that's function type. So let's see this in code. I have made a copy of our a.py and included a type function inside print statements. Okay, so let's run this example. Open command prompt, e.py. Look, we have three different types of strings. First is of single quotes, second is of double quotes, and third triple quotes. All these strings are of class str. Okay, so just as we have bool class instead of boolean, we have str class instead of string. Okay, now let's see slice. Slicing a string returns a range of characters by specifying the start index and end index separated by a colon. What does that mean? So let's see. The syntax of writing slice is not exactly but similar to that of writing arrays. In arrays we use indexing to select a specific value. Similarly in strings we use indexing for slicing. So we have a string in here and writing x square bracket 0 will give us the very first item on the string, that is uppercase T. This syntax is similar to writing a particular value of an array. Also here in string, the so-called index starts from 0. So if we write x of 6, we will get the 7th character of that string. Okay, so let's count as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, space is 4th index, 5, 6. So x of 6 is s. Okay. By using slice, we can select a certain range of characters by specifying the start index and end index separated by a colon, as we saw earlier. And remember, the start index is inclusive and the end index is exclusive. So if we write the end index as 15, then we will get the end value of the index 14. So if we write x of 10 colon 15, then this will return us the value of index 10 up to the value of index 14. So in this case, let's count this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. D is in 10th index and we will get the output up to 14 index. Okay, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this dummy, this will be written in the output. Okay, so let's see different types of variants. So first variant is having only end index. This will return us the string from the beginning till the specific end index, which is exclusive. Okay, so this will return us the string from index 0 to index 14 because 15 is exclusive. So now second variant is having only start index. So this will return us the string from the start index to the end of the string. Okay, in this case we will get the output from index 15 because start index is inclusive. We will get the value from index 15, which is here a space, up to the end of the string, that is space and text. Okay, variant 3 is having neither start index nor end index. So this will return us the complete string. Okay, when we don't specify the start and end index, this will return us the complete string. Okay, and what if we have some random index? like this. So in this case we have different cases. The result will depend on the index. For example, if the start and end indices are too much out of range, like in here, then it will return us the complete string. Okay. If we have negative start index and negative end index, then for the output we will count from the end of the string from -1. For example, if we have -4 to -1, then start counting from -1 from the end. Okay, so this t will be -1, then -2, -3 and -4. So this t will be on -4 index starting from end of the string. Okay, and from -4 up to -1, which is exclusive. Okay, so -4, -3, -2 and -1. So we will get up to -2, that is tex. Okay, also if we have a positive start index and a negative end index, like for example 2 and -8, then we will get the output starting from the index 2 and ending on the index before -8, because it is exclusive, that is on -9. So we will start counting 2 from the beginning of the string and -8 from the end of the string. So 0, 1 and 2, I is in 2 index, and starting from -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, 6, 7, 8, and this is exclusive, so we will get up to u. Okay, so we will get this text. Okay, now let's see these in code. So back to edit plus, we will make a new folder in 5str to slice. A.py, suppose we have this string and we will print a specific index. For example, we will print 3, x of 3. Okay, so open command prompt, cd cd to slice cls a.py s. Okay, so this is our 0 index, 1, 2, 3. This is our index 3, so we are getting the correct output. Okay, new example p.py. I will copy this string and let's print certain range. Okay, so let's say from 3 to 10. Okay, so what should be the output? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so up to space, we will get up to space. Okay, so let's see b.py. Okay, so how to confirm that we are getting a space also? So there's a way. I will concatenate a string like this. Okay, so we can concatenate a string inside print statement by using commas. Okay, b.py. So there is a problem with the commas. We will get an extra space if we write comma. So for example, we have this comma is. Okay, so for example, we are writing these strings with the separation of comma, and notice that we haven't used any spaces in these. Okay, so now comment this and b.py. This comma automatically include a space in the output. Okay, so see, we are getting a space here. Okay, so what if we use plus b.py? No, look, plus won't include any spaces. Okay, so we will use plus. Delete this. This is just for demonstration. We will use plus sign. Okay, this will not include any extra spaces. CLS b dot pi. Now look, S A and space. Okay, so we are getting this text. Okay, now new example, C dot pi. This is a sample text. Print. Now printing up to character 5. Okay, so what we will get the output in here? What is our index 5? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will get up to this and space. Okay, so let's do it 6 here. So we get the output from this and I. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we will get up to this and I. C dot pi, this and I. Okay, save as D dot pi. Now we won't give end index, we will give starting index, suppose 8. Okay, so our 8th index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will get from A to the end of the string. Okay, a sample text. We will get a sample text. D dot pi. Okay, a sample text. So next example. Save E dot pi. This is a sample text. Print X, and in this we won't give any start index or end index. Okay, so E dot pi, we are getting the whole string. Okay, so this is what was expected. Now next example, some random index. Okay, so let's see in this example only. Print X minus 40, 100. Okay, you can close this print statement. Okay, so E dot pi, we are getting the whole text. Okay, again, so if the ranges are too broad, then we will get the whole string, and remember this should be negative. If we have the index from 40 to 100, then there is no character which is in 40th index, so we will get nothing. Okay, so let's see. E dot pi, look, we are getting nothing, empty. Okay, so let's make new example. F dot pi, sample text. Print. Now we will print negative index, minus 6, suppose 2 minus 2. Okay, so start counting from end of the string. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 6. So E minus 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so E to E, we will get E space T E. F dot pi, E space T E. Okay, so print X. What was our next example? From 4 to, let's say, minus 10. Okay, so 4 from starting. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Space is 4th character, and minus 10, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. Okay, so we will get up to S, space up to S, this part. Okay, so let's run F dot pi. look, space up to S. Okay, same, space up to S. Okay, that's it. You can try with more variants. Okay, so here's a task for you. You have to solve all these without the help of interpreter. Okay, you have to solve these in your notebooks where you are making notes of Python. Okay, so solve these and write the answers in the comment section. And if you have any doubts, then you can ask in the comment section, and if you want this text file, then you can find this in description. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.